Alright, so now that we're zoomed in and you have a better view of the uke, my fingers, and the strings, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. As always, with every ukulele tutorial, I will have a visual representation of where I need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then have me talk you through it thoroughly. It's like a double whammy. So let's go ahead and talk about the first chord that we need, which is the C minor chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go over the bottom three strings, which is the third, second, and first string on the third fret. So again, your finger is just occupying the third, second, and first string on the third fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the B flat chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger over all four strings on the first fret. So it looks like that. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the third string, second fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the fourth string, third fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the fourth string, second fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the third string, second fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the second string, second fret. So again, your fingers are occupying the fourth, third, and second string on the second fret, and it should sound like this. Perfect. The next chord that we need is the E flat chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the first string, first fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the third string, third fret. So it should look like this. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the second string, third fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And last but certainly not least is the G minor chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the first string, first fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the third string, second fret. And finally, you're going to place your ring finger on the second string, third fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. Alright, so those were all 5 chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just talked about the chords. Now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming. As always, I will teach you a couple different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I just picked up the uke a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. I ain't got time for strumming. I'm getting used to the chords. Please don't add any strumming. I got you. So the first way that we're going to play this song is going to be with a simple down strum. So you're going to strum down with your thumb and you're going to strum all 4 strings. And whenever you see a new chord change, you're just going to strum down. And as always, the full play along video is live on YouTube, and that has the chord right above the word while I'm playing and singing. But if you want to download the full downloadable PDF chord sheet for this song, which is the full lyrics and chords, and you can save them to your laptop, computer, cell phone, wherever you want to save that, you can download that on Patreon. It's a monthly subscription service and it helps support this channel. I'll leave a link in the description below for the Patreon account. And again, that's the full lyrics and chords just right straight on paper, and you can save it, keep it for yourself. But again, as soon as you see a chord change, you're just going to strum down, and it's going to sound absolutely amazing. Alright, so the second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern. I have the G minor chord down, and the strumming pattern is just going to be a down, down, up, 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 down, up. So again, we'll do that slower in 3, 2, 1, down, down, up, 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 down, up. So let's do that one more time in 3, 2, 1, down, down, up, 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 down, up. So you can do it faster and it just sounds like this. And you just keep repeating that strumming pattern. So again, that strumming pattern is down, down, up, 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 down, up. And you just keep on going, and as soon as you see a new chord change, you just literally just keep on doing that strumming pattern. So again, one more time, the strumming pattern is down, down, up, 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 down, up. And again, if you're like, I don't want to do that, you can always do a down strum, or you can just do whatever feels more natural to you. But again, that strumming pattern is pretty close to what the song sounds like. And you just keep continuing that strumming pattern and it'll sound absolutely amazing. All right, so we talked about the chords and the different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play NDA by Billie Eilish on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, if you haven't already. Also, what do you think about this new song from Billie Eilish? Are you excited for her new album? Let me know in the comments below. If you are new here and you are a Billie Eilish fan and stan, so are we over here, so make sure to hit that red subscribe button. We're going to be doing the entire album from Billie Eilish. We already have so many ukulele tutorials, play-alongs, and all that good stuff on the channel already, so make sure to check that out. I'll leave a playlist on screen and also in the description, so make sure to watch those if you want to learn any other Billie Eilish songs on the good old uke. And if you're like, hello, why haven't you talked about you're playing the Billie Eilish signature uke from Fender? Well, I'm playing the Billie Eilish signature uke from Fender. I'll leave a link in the description below if you do want to go check it out. There will be a full review video on this uke coming very soon, so make sure and stay tuned for that. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. It has the Billie Eilish blush logo. So yeah, if you want to go check this uke out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, links to all of my merch will be down below. I'm currently wearing the uke fam. That was a lightning strike. So apparently that's a sign for you to go get my merch right now. I'll leave a link in the description below for the merch. I'm currently wearing the Uke Fam hoodie, which is the logo for this channel. Also, links to all of my socials will be linked down below in the description as well. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. If there's another lightning, that definitely means you need to follow me on my socials. I think I might have heard a small one. But anyways, everything's just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to go say hi, add me, and send me a DM. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Are you excited about Billie Eilish's new album? Again, let me know in the comments below. I'm still shook about the thunder. Anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.